मॉर्निंग। बेटा मम्मा है?
मैम नो, वो मार्केट गया करके जो मैं उनके लिए कुछ ले आई।
What are you doing?
मैम मैं इसको समझा रही हूँ।
She is assistant?
यस।
कौन सी क्लास में?
क्लास नहीं हो रहा।
बेटा it will not open like this. Give it to me. I'll open it with the help of a bottle opener.
Wow, ma'am, you have opened it very easily.
Yes, beta, you know bottle opener is a simple machine.
Machine?
Machine, when you think, you imagine something very big in size. Number of parts, making noises. But it's not like that. Simple machines we use in our daily life. We use many simple machines.
What are simple machines, ma'am?
Simple machines are the devices which make our work simple. They are very simple in nature and they make our work easy.
मैम जैसा कि आपने बॉटल ओपनर से बॉटल ओपन कर दी।
Yes, bottle opener is an example of a lever.
लीवर जो कि हमारा बॉडी पार्ट है।
No beta, that is a part of our digestive system, but I am talking about lever, L-E-V-E-R. It is a simple machine made up of strong rod or a rigid bar. It has 3 points: fulcrum, effort and load. आओ मैं आपको crowbar की हेल्प से समझाती हूँ. This is a crowbar. It is an example of lever. It has 3 points: effort, fulcrum, load. Effort is a point on which we apply force. यहाँ पे हम push और pull करती हैं. And fulcrum is the point around which lever turns. ये लीवर को टर्न करने में हेल्प करता है. एंड दिस इज लोड, जो हम यहाँ पे फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं. यहाँ पे एक्ट होता है एंड इट हेल्प्स टू लिफ्ट द वेट. सो इट हैज 3 points: effort, fulcrum and load. And by applying force over here we can easily turn the whole end. Yes, you are enjoying seesaw?
Yes, ma'am.
You know this is also an example of lever. Siddhima, can you explain the 3 points of lever?
Yes, ma'am. This is fulcrum where the lever turns.
Yes.
This is the effort where force is applied.
Very good.
And this is the load where the weight is lifted.
Very good. Okay, this is fulcrum, effort and load. And you know, according to the position of fulcrum, effort and load, lever is of 3 classes.
Ma'am, it is very confusing. I will forget it.
Yes, ma'am.
No beta, it is very easy. आपको कभी भी नहीं भूलेगा अगर आप ये एक वर्ड याद रखोगे, FLE, फ्ली. आपको क्या करना है, आपने F के नीचे लिखना है 1 और L के नीचे आपने लिखना है 2 एंड E के नीचे आप लिखोगे 3. This is the central position. If fulcrum is present in the center of load and effort, lever is of first class. If load is present between effort and fulcrum, lever is of
Second class.
and if effort is present between load and fulcrum,
Then it is of third
Third
class.
easy.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So fulcrum सेंटर में है तो फर्स्ट क्लास, लोड सेंटर में है तो सेकंड क्लास एंड एफर्ट सेंटर में है तो लीवर इज ऑफ थर्ड क्लास. This is a wheelbarrow. It is used to carry load. Where do we put the load? In the center. And we hold it from here. It is the point where we apply force and it acts as effort. And it turns on the wheel, so wheel acts as fulcrum. So what is the position of effort, load and fulcrum? This is effort, this is load and that is fulcrum. When load is in the center, lever is of second class. Clear? Load is in the center of effort and fulcrum, so wheelbarrow is of second class. This is scissors. It is first class lever as fulcrum is in the center. Clear? सो इसे हम पंजाबी में क्या कहते हैं?
कैंची। मैम मेरे को ना इसके रिलेटेड एक मुहावरा याद आ रहा है।
कौन सा?
कैंची तरह जुबान चलनी। मम्मा हमेशा भी तो बोलते रहते हैं, यदि जुबान तो हमेशा कैंची वांगू चलती रहती है।
यस, जो ज्यादा बातें करता है उसको कहते हैं कि इसकी जुबान कैंची की तरह चलती है। और एक और मुहावरा यूज करते हैं, सिर खाना। ये बहुत सिर खाता है। ये नाउ गो इन योर किचन और योर स्टडी रूम। जो भी आपको लग रहा है कि दिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लीवर, ब्रिंग इट टू मी। ओह वेरी गुड। अब हम इनको क्लासिफाई करते हैं। Yes, this is a flyer. Can you classify which type of lever is this?
As fulcrum is in center, so it is a first class.
Very good. Put it here. Yes, now Siddhima, will you explain which type of lever is this lemon squeezer?
Lemon squeezer.
Yes.
As the load is in the center, so it is the second class lever.
Very good. It is second class lever. Put it over here. Now Abhineet, will you explain the stapler? Which type of lever is this?
As the effort is in the center, so it is third class lever.
Very good. Now classify all these and put them on their right place. Which type of lever they are? Very good. You have to see the position of fulcrum, effort and load. If fulcrum is in the center, it is first class. If load is in the center, it is second class. And if effort is in the center, it is
Third class.
अभी आपको लीवर मिलेगा तो नहीं?
No ma'am.
Okay, lever is a type of simple machine, and simple machines they make our work
Easy.
and we use them in the
Daily life.
Clear? Everyday life में ये हम use करते हैं. So that's all about. Rest of the simple machines we will do on another day.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you ma'am.